Hello everyone, let's see how to clean a pork loin. First, clean your surface area. We are dealing with raw meat and a lot of potential bacteria. We have to remove this white connective tissue with a sharp knife, trying to take out as little meat as possible. My suggestion is to not cut against the fibers. Follow the natural curve of the meat. Let the knife do the work for you. Now it's time to remove this side from our centerpiece. We will cut in between these two muscles. Sorry for the camera angle, I will try to show you where to cut. We will cut along this line. Warning, the stunts in this video were performed by a professional. Do not lift the meat while cutting. I am doing that to show you where the right spot is. It is dangerous and you can cut yourself. In one of the two ends, you will find a triangular attach muscle. We will cut under the silver skin, like this. In the opposite end, you will notice two differently colored meats. These are two different muscles that must be separated. Follow the silver skin under the piece and cut in between, until separated. From the thicker end, chop some medallions 1 finger thick. From the center, cut 2 big pieces and finish cutting the rest. From the trim, remove the connective tissue and chop them in cubes. You can use all the offcuts for stocks or demi-glace. Here you have medallions, roasts and trim for goulash or ragu. Here an easy way to truss a roast. Make a loop, pass the string under the meat and through the loop. Pull it to tighten it up. Wrap it along and back to the first point. Twist your end to create a looser loop and pass the meat through it. Pull it to tighten it up. Repeat, giving 2 cm space to each loop. Make a simple knot and done. Take a second string and wrap it perpendicularly to the first one. Tie the knot and you are ready to roast it, braise it or whatever you want to do with it. As a bonus tip, use a Ziploc bag to flatten the meat, so your mallet and chopboard will remain clean. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe.